Alas, we need a winner, and though this is most definitely the Porsche Taycan's fight to lose, on paper it's eaten for breakfast by the new BMW i4 M50. Costing £63,850, this is the pinnacle in BMW's first range of all-electric saloons, but it undercuts even the entry-level Taycan by £11,000. Despite this, with 537 brake horsepower, it's the more powerful car of the two and arrives with torque seeping from its millimeter-perfect shut lines. And it doesn't stop there. The i4 M50 is more spacious inside and, with 324 miles of claimed range, compared with 301 miles for the Porsche, this one fitted with the optional range-extending Performance Plus battery, is marginally longer-legged. Turning up dressed in frozen berry paint over purple leather, our deeply unserious Taycan is taunting its adversary, and Porsche GB's decision to deploy a pink car shows a cheeky confidence that has been earned. However, BMW clearly isn't mucking about with the i4 M50. This contest won't be easy, even for the car that now outsells the Porsche 911. The cohesive nature of the i4 is clear the moment you slide aboard. The reason it looks so much like the 4 Series Gran Coupe is because it's built on the same CLAR platform, an enviously good base for any sports saloon, and uses much the same shell. EV-specific adaptations include air springs at the back, extra bracing around the front struts, track widths that have been prized apart a touch and, of course, the presence of the battery pack. Compared with the basic 335 brake horsepower i4 eDrive 40, the i4 M50 then gets added stiffening and sits closer to the road. That 400V 83.9 kWh pack, versus 800V and 93.4 kWh in the Taycan, is secured to the floor pan with 22 bolts and drops the i4 M50 center of gravity considerably compared with the M440i Gran Coupe. It also adds, steady yourself, 550 kilograms to the curb weight and raises the driving position just a smidge, but a noticeable smidge all the same. The good news is that the driving ergonomics remain GT-flavored. Responsive steering and the subtly predatory gait are also hallmarks of fine IC-powered BMWs, and all are evident in the i4 M50 right from the get-go. The bad news is there is an undeniable sensation that you're carrying an anvil in each of the car's footwells, and the force of the power steering has clearly been dialed up in response, with some loss of transparency as a result. Carrying 2.2 tons was always going to have consequences, wasn't it?